Hi, my name is Miss Kane from the Tinley Park Public Library, and today I will be walking you through different types of dream catchers that you can make with your family. So the first one I have, in the end it will look something like this, is made out of an embroidery hoop, and then I wrapped it with washi tape all the way around, both the inside and outside. And then when I was done, I take yarn and the hoop and I just wrap it around the whole thing. I keep my finger tight on one end and just wrap until it looks like what I want it to look like. For this one, I probably went a little too overboard, but it kind of is fun to wrap over and over. So in order to make it not go anywhere, you do have to wrap it pretty tight. And then when you tie it off, I don't know if you can see, but I have a few spots where you can tell I tied if you're looking closely. And then I tie kind of at the bottom so it'll hide with the ribbon. And then I chose different types of ribbon to tie to make my fringe at the bottom. I have ribbon that looks that I believe is a vine, but it looks kind of like feathers, and that is common for a dream catcher. So the other dream catcher I have is just a miniature version of that, but it's a little different, just a little. So if you notice, I just did the outer hoop of the embroidery, hoop or loop, however you want to call it. I wrapped that around with washi tape, and then the inside of it is where I wrapped the yarn around, and then I put them together so that they would seal each other like a normal hoop does. And then I had my string at the bottom and I added feathers and wooden beads. And then my last one is made out of a paper plate. So what you do is you cut your paper plate so it has the loop, and then with this you can make your heart look like this. Mine is a die cut, but this is easy to do to make your heart look like that. If you fold it in half, I'll show you. You cut it and you have a heart. And then you want to have a heart that looks something like so. You can wrap around the yarn. Mine looks a little pointy, but I kind of like it like that. And so then you would just put it in the middle. And you would poke holes, like I did here, using a hole punch, front and back. And then you weave, you sew or weave, however you want to call it, so that your heart is suspended in the middle. And then you, if you want to do two colors, you can. I did a teal and a white. And then on the bottom, I have different things hanging. I have beads, a feather, this is a braid, and another feather. All right, I hope this has given you some ideas of how you can make different types of dream catchers with your family.